Hi, I'm Austin Dillon with Peirce Phelps, and today we're discussing the 40 MBCQ ceiling suspended cassette from carrier Bryant. These units are great for both residential and commercial applications as a discrete indoor option that can be recessed into drop ceilings or bay cavities. The 40 MBCQ comes in 9 through 48,000 BTU capacity options and is compatible with both our single and multi-zone outdoor equipment. In the 9 through 24,000 BTU capacities, it is compatible with the 38 MARB and previous generation 38 MAQB model single-zone outdoor units, as well as our 38 MGRQ multi-zone outdoor units. The 36 through 48,000 BTU iterations are compatible with the 38 MBRBQ and previous generation 38 MBRQ model single-zone outdoor units. Sizes 9 through 18,000 BTUs are available in a 2x2 cabinet, and sizes 24 through 48 come in a 3x3. The 40 MBCQ sizes 9 through 24,000 require 230 volt power and wired to a corresponding outdoor unit using a 14 gauge stranded 4-conductor tray cable. This wire is landed on the L1, L2, S, and ground terminals of the indoor and outdoor equipment. This connection provides both communication and power to the indoor equipment. Sizes 36 through 48,000 are also 240 volt, but require a 14 gauge 3-conductor wire for power and a separate 16 gauge stranded wire for communication. When this is the case, terminals S1 and S2 will be present on both indoor and outdoor equipment. Line set connections are made via mechanical flares on the indoor and outdoor units. On multi-zone units, line set size is dictated by the indoor unit connection. The 40 MBCQ offers a number of features, including louver and fan control, LED toggling, auto restart, follow me, as well as dry and turbo modes. It also includes a forced or emergency operation mode in the event that the remote becomes lost or broken. The unit also offers a knockout to provide for outside air when fresh air intake is required. The unit is designed to be suspended at a height of no greater than 16 feet via 4 hanger brackets, and service access is provided exclusively through the underside of the unit. The brackets are secured to all thread using a combination of opposing nuts and washers, and the all thread is then secured to the ceiling with anchors or clamps appropriate to the building construction. The 40 MBCQ comes with an integrated condensate pump and float safety control, which are powered whenever the unit is in the cooling mode. A flexible connector is provided with the unit. It is intended to transition from the pump discharge to 3/4 inch PVC and is secured at either end with provided hose clamps. Please note that the pump is used in all applications and there is no gravity drain option. The pump has a maximum lift of 21 inches and is intended to provide enough lift that it may be connected to a secondary gravity drain. In the event that the lift beyond the height of the pump discharge is not required, the pump may be piped straight into an appropriately pitched drain. The grille and louver assembly ship separately from the cassette and consist of 2 primary components: an outer section, which contains the louver motor, louvers, and linkages, and then an inner grille, which houses the IR receiver as well as a low-resistance washable filter. The grille attaches to the louver section by way of hook and latch and is further secured by wire swing arms. The assembly mounts to the underside of the unit and is equipped with hook and loops to aid the technician when either mounting or removing the assembly. The assembly is then connected to the unit using the 4 mounting bolts provided in each corner of the unit. The control compartment is accessed through the underside of the unit and provides for both field and factory electrical connections. The louver assembly contains a wire harness which connects to CN14 of the unit control board and drives the louver motor. The IR receiver also connects via Molex plug to CN10A of the indoor unit control board. Out of the box, the unit comes ready for operation via either the RG57 or RG10 wireless remote and senses temperature from a sensor located in the return air stream. If desired, this sensor may be extended to a remote location using the kit part number shown here. The unit can also be used with either the KS-ACN 0501 or 701 controller or the KS-ACN 0101 wire controller. When used, the KS-ACN 501 or 701 control comes with a 20-foot proprietary cable which connects via Molex to the wall control. This cable may be extended up to 160 feet using multiples of the part number listed below. The cable is then run to the indoor unit where it is connected to an adapter harness. The harness is in turn connected to CN40 of the indoor unit control board. The KSA-CN0101 control also comes with its own proprietary cable, which may again be extended up to 160 feet using multiples of the part number below. This cable connects to a harness located on the display board. The KSA-CN0101 also allows for multiple indoor units to operate off a single control. There is also a Wi-Fi accessory available for the 40 MBCQ. The Wi-Fi module installs on CN40 of the indoor unit control board. If a 501 or 701 wire control is being used, the Wi-Fi adapter is installed in place of the provided adapter harness. When in use, the KSA-CN0501 and 701 controllers can provide service inquiry and fault status information. Access to the service inquiry is achieved by ensuring that the unit is in the off position and holding copy for 5 seconds. Once the technician has entered into the service menu, he can check fault codes, status, and sensor readings. In the event that the primary control becomes lost or damaged, a manual button on the grille may be pressed one time. The unit will run in the auto mode with a set point of 76 degrees. The same button may be pressed 2 times to place a unit into a test mode, which will initiate a 30-minute cooling cycle. In the parts bag, the technician will also find slit insulation intended to cover any exposed copper or flare connections at the indoor unit. 2 ferrite cores are also included, and incoming wires should be routed through these cores to reduce any electromagnetic interference that may affect system communication. Regular maintenance of the 40 MBCQ includes cleaning or replacing of filters on a regular basis. The frequency with which this may be required is dependent upon several factors, including filter type, annual runtime, and the general conditions within the space. The blower wheel and motor should also be inspected during maintenance and cleaned when necessary, and can be easily accessed for removal through the underside of the unit. Additionally, the coil is accessible for cleaning while the blower is removed. Finally, the drain and pump can be removed and cleaned through an access panel in the bottom corner of the unit. Overall, the 40 MBCQ offers a low-key indoor option capable of providing efficient heating and cooling for a variety of applications. Whether it be for large open floor plans or for smaller individual spaces, with its variety of control options, we're confident it will meet all of your ceiling cassette needs. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Again, I'm Austin Dillon with Peirce Phelps, and as always, please reach out to me with any questions you might have regarding Carrier or Bryant ductless equipment. Thank you, and have a great day.